Hi cutie, Grace here. Today let's draw a colorful water spill, so let's get started. First, just following with me. Draw a curved line. And then draw some detail here. Now draw two round big eyes. Insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a water spill. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.